Good afternoon, Double Dippers. We are here in Hollywood Studios tonight. Anna and I are having a date night, so no corner tonight. We are heading to either Hollywood and Vine or Hollywood Brown Derby. Still have no idea. Trying to decide all day. Can't decide. So we're just gonna, I don't know, flip a coin at this point. But we're here to just, you know, relax, do some Slinky Dog Dash, Anna's favorite ride. Would you say it's your favorite ride at Disney?
Yeah, easily.
Over. Well, what would be like your second place? Because I feel like you've had a lot of.
I feel like Guardians is good. I love Mine Train, Big Thunder, but it's only good if you're the last row for the Big Thunder and Mine Train. So.
Yeah. But not for Guardians. Guardians is good no matter where you sit. Maybe not the back though. I think the back on Guardian. Well.
The middle. I got 5 and 6 last time we rode it, and it was perfect.
There you go. Anyway. Just going to kind of figure out what we're doing tonight. Alright, so we're taking a gander at the menu. And the filet mignon was apparently added for the 50th. I don't see the burger that Ian got.
I bet you they have it, you just have to ask for it.
The seafood, I'm not even going to pretend to pronounce that. Sounds good. I'm not a huge fan of tomato broth, but it could be good. Yeah. The other thing is, I really like the shrimp mac and cheese, like as in, I like the sound of it. I haven't had it, but they have it at Hollywood and Vine, so, and also like $50 for a filet mignon, that'd be what I want to get, but like that's the same price as eating Hollywood and Vine, and that's all you can eat. And I think they have some cut of steak, I can't remember what it was.
Oh, see, the chicken Cobb salad sounds good to add chicken or add shrimp for your Cobb salad. Sounds really good.
You have to add the chicken.
Yeah.
See, all additional charges. All right, so the decision has been made. We're going to Hollywood Brown Derby. After much deliberation, I plan on getting the escargot and the filet mignon because they both sound really good. And Anna is going to get her Cobb salad. So we have our reservation at 7:50 now. And so it's about 7 o'clock, so we have an hour until then, and we're gonna go ride some stuff and enjoy our night now that the decision's finally unburdened us and we can enjoy the rest of our night. We are passing by Real Vogue. I don't know if that's the name of that doesn't sound like Beverly Sunset Boutique. There we go. And it's open. I don't think it's been open in years. Last time I remember it being open was the opening of Toy Story Land, which has been I want to say it was 2016, 2018?
2018.
2018.
When I came, it was open.
So 4 years ago was the last time I remember that place being open, but could have been open since then, but that's just what I remember. So wait times are currently insanely low. Rise of Resistance is a 20-minute wait. Slinky Dog Dash is at 35. Toy Story Mania is at 30. So it's a good night to be at Hollywood Studios. So the Disney Parks and Experiences and Products panel was today at D23. There's a bunch of announcements made, and my personal thoughts on them is they were all disappointing. I might have to make a separate video on this. I say that, but outside of vlogging, not a whole lot of time for videoing. Because I've had a couple of videos on the docket that I want to make for the channel, but not gotten there yet. But needless to say, some mediocre announcements were made, and Universal, meanwhile, is opening a new theme park. So, Disney, I don't know what you're doing. But we're just going to leave it at that for now, and maybe I'll get to it more later. It's not very soft. Alright, Slinky Dog Dash ride number 1! Alright, we're riding Slinky Dog for the second time tonight. Tell us why.
Because it's my favorite ride.
So stop the song.
You're such a dork. The most lame one.
Ooh,
There it is.
Splishy Splash.
Every day, all day.
I've said this before, but like when they initially announced this and they're like, oh yeah, the statues will interact with you. I thought it was gonna be like Sebastian saying like, hey, or maybe playing like Under the Sea or something, not just whoosh, whoosh. Like it doesn't make it like what was it? Like Figment just plays some generic like royalty-free music. Doesn't make any sense. I don't know what that's all about. So there was a huge bolt of lightning just a second ago, and it lit up the whole sky. And honestly, I was just hoping as a PhotoPass photographer's flash or something. But we did get these today because we are celebrating our 3-year anniversary. That's why we're out here tonight. That and just need a break sometimes. So yeah, we're just going to, we've already checked in for a reservation at Hollywood Brown Derby, and so we're just waiting to be called and gonna take a nice, relaxing meal and enjoy some fancy food. Pro tip, if you're waiting here at Hollywood Brown Derby on this bench like we are, and you have the 50th statue behind you, it's going to keep buzzing your magic band until you wave at it. It's buzzed me like 3 times, and I've been sitting here like all of 5 minutes. So yeah, it's just kind of funny, honestly. But it's not actually, you know, bothersome, but just thought I'd point it out.
Maybe we should go over and get a cannoli real quick.
It's happening again. Guys, those are some spooky clouds right there. That is, that came in quick, because when we were on Slinky Dog, it was in like a good distance away, and then we got off Slinky Dog and it's like right here. There's been a couple flashes of lightning. Man, you gotta love the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway sign, even though it replaced a better attraction. Just saying. Fairly certain this is new. We came back to Muppets Courtyard. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, it is Gonzo. I know I should know better as a Muppet. Also, did you see that lightning? I should know better as a Muppets fan, but I'm not sure if that's been there. Anna really wants a dessert, a pizza Rizzo, so we're running over here in hopes that's still open. So that's what's happening. All right, so as some of you might have known, Pizza Rizzo's been closed for several hours now. Closed at 5 o'clock. But I'm like 99% certain that Gonzo up on the clock hands is new, because I'm pretty sure the last time we were over here, I noticed that the clock hands were missing, and I think when they replaced them, they added Gonzo to it. So, pretty neat little feature. Also, never mind. We're heading back over to our Brown Derby reservation now. All right, we're heading into Brown Derby. Hollywood Brown Derby. I'm waving! I'm waving! So some of you may not know this, but actually above us is Club 33 for the Hollywood Studios. I was not expecting to be seated that quickly, so I was planning on showing you guys around. This is the main dining room here. Very fancy. We are at a rather small table, as we tend to get put at. But it makes sense because we're a small party. We have our bread service with a butter with, what did she say was on it? Red sea salt. Look at them rolls. I'm gonna go wash my hands actually before I eat. I'm realizing I haven't washed my hands since we, you know, left the park and came into a restaurant. The bread here is actually really good. I don't think it's the bread so much as it's the butter. The butter with that sea salt is really good. All right, I got my appetizer. I got escargot. For the record, I actually like escargot. Anna's not having any because she thinks I'm crazy. But I'm going to enjoy some escargot. This is probably the best escargot I've ever had. Usually it's like an olive oil base, and this is like some sort of, oh, it's a couple different cheeses. So it's like a very cheesy escargot. Very good. And the crunch on top is very nice as well. Just so you can get a full demonstration. There you go. Anna got the Cobb salad, of course. And she's very excited about it. We're gonna see. Is that everything you dreamed of?
That's so good.
And I got my filet mignon. Look at that cook. You count on Disney to cook a steak to perfection. Alright, we got the classic bite of everything. As a person that's not usually a fan of like stewed vegetables, it's pretty good, especially with the filet mignon. It all works together very well. I'm sure if I looked at the menu right now, I could tell you what this is, but this creamy spinach stuff that was over here on the plate, started eating it with my steak. It is amazing. I wish I had more of it to divvy up with my steak. Very good. They gave us a little anniversary cake. Anna got one too. She also got, what'd you get? The mocha cake?
Chocolate flourless mocha cake. It's like a mousse.
You're like a moose. I do like the little hat that they put on this, even though it's kind of melting from the heat.
It's so cute.
Yep. Totally forgot that she told us that she brought us the signature cake, or their signature dessert, which is the grapefruit cake. And it's really good. Very sweet. All right, it's lightly raining. We are leaving the Hollywood Brown Derby. How was your meal?
It was fantastic.
We had a great waitress. Her name was Angela.
A legacy
And
cast.
yeah, she just received her legacy cast member status,
She was
which
amazing.
if you don't know what that is, highly recommend looking into it. But it just pretty much means that they were determined by a fellow cast member or cast members that they exhibit some attribute of Walt Disney himself. So it's the Walt Disney legacy cast member, and very high honor, something that I strive for and hope to get one day. But she definitely well earned that title. She was an amazing cast member, and
Also amazing food too. Dessert was amazing. Did you show dessert? Oh.
Yeah, I think so. I at least showed the one that she brought us.
Okay.
But yeah, all the prices were really good. The steak was a little high, but I think it was well worth the price, and the quality of food was, yeah. In case you're wondering, the steak was, the filet mignon, I should say, was $50, but well worth it in my opinion. So definitely gonna come back here. I hesitate to say that only because we like to try new places, and I'm too tall, I gotta duck under this tree. We like to try new places, but at some point we have to be back here. Ian and my mom went there not too long ago, and they told us that we had to go, so part of the reason we're out here tonight, and maybe when they come down this week, this coming weekend, we go back there with them. Who knows? But we were heading out of the park.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us for a day full of action.
Yeah, I don't know. I think we're gonna head over to Trader Sam's now, because all the parks are closed. We'd typically head over to Magic Kingdom, but it is Not So Scary night tonight, so we can't head over there. So we're going to continue our date night over at Trader Sam's. All right, we're here at Trader Sam's. I just put our name down on the list. They said it's like an hour and a half wait. They still have wristbands for Monstro, and it is 9:40 at night. So I might go get the other one. Anna didn't end up getting one yesterday. It was just me. So still looking to maybe trade with West Coaster. So went ahead and grabbed one. Also, I'm wondering if you can drink out of the actual mug inside. Since we're going to be seating inside Trader Sam's. Alright, we're now leaving the Polynesian because we realized a little later than we thought, and so that 1 hour wait, don't really have that much time, and we could be going somewhere else. So we're going to head over to Disney Springs, mainly because these are the two places that are open the latest. Trader Sam's open till I believe 12. I know they just said that their last call is at 11:30, and actually, it might be open later than that. I think it's 12 though. And Disney Springs is open till 11, so we're gonna head over there. Also, it's slightly sprinkling. Again, the rain's following us. I swear. All right, we made it. We're at Disney Springs. I think it stopped raining. We're about to find out though. Taking the escalator like fancy people without a stroller. I don't think I've shown these off before here in Uniqlo. I don't know if these, I kind of have a recollection of this one or the Chippendale one being here. but here you go. Since somebody already unfolded this one, that wasn't me. Chippendale, Dumbo, Tinkerbell, Aristocats. Alright, Double Dippers, that's gonna do it for tonight. Back home, Kona, he's going to bed, so we're a little quiet. I know we didn't do much at Disney Springs, but we were just kind of walking around, perusing. Not much new there that we haven't shown already. I'd like to thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you would, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.